It's time for a little fun!
If you wake up in the morning, stretch your arms, stretch your arms, stretch your arms. If you wake up in the morning, stretch your arms. Good morning with Pip. If you splash your face with water, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you splash your face with water, clap your hands. Good morning with Pip. If you brush your teeth, go left and right, left and right, left and right. If you brush your teeth, go left and right. Good morning with Pip. If you comb your hair, say looking good, looking good, looking good. If you comb your hair, say looking good. Good morning with Pip. If you put your clothes on, do a little spin, do a little spin, do a little spin. If you put your clothes on, do a little spin. Good morning with Pip. If you eat your breakfast, if you eat your breakfast, good morning with Pip. If you drink your milk, go gulp, 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 gulp. If you drink your milk, go gulp, gulp, gulp. Good morning with Pip. If you pack your bag, then zip, 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 zip. If you pack your bag, then zip, zip, zip. Good morning with Pip. If you kiss your mama, wave bye, 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 wave bye, bye, wave bye, bye, bye. If you kiss your mama, wave bye, bye, bye. Good morning with Pip. If you love your mornings, do all nine, do all nine, do all nine. Stretch and clap and brush and spin and gulp, zip and wave. Good morning with Pip.